Hello everyone, welcome back to D.5. Today we are going to dive into a fascinating topic that's been buzzing around the business world, AI automation agency. Whether you are a beginner or just curious about what is it all about, this video is for you and let's get started. First thing first, what exactly is an AI automation agency? In simpler terms, it's a company that uses AI, artificial intelligence, to automate various tasks and processes for businesses. And this can include everything from managing customer service with chatbots to automating marketing campaigns and workflow, etc. So, artificial intelligence or AI, it is revolutionizing the way we do business, but why is it so important? The first reason for that is AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for employees to focus on more complex and creative tasks. For example, AI can automate data entry or customer service responses, which can significantly speed up operations in your organization. It also helps by reducing the cost because there will be less human intervention, which can lead to significant cost saving in the long run for sure. So let's say you have a customer service chatbots powered by AI. The main thing is it will be available 24/7 for your customer, right? Also using AI can analyze large amount of data quickly and accurately, providing valuable insights that can help business make informed decisions. AI can personalize customer experience by analyzing customer behavior and preferences, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty for sure. Anyway, these were some of the use cases where AI could be applied in the industry. Now let's see how, as a beginner, you can have your own AI automation agency, whether you should go for it or not. So here I'm going to show you some of the challenges for beginners. Despite the benefits starting an AI automation agency, it comes with its own set of challenges, especially for beginners. AI is a complex field that requires certain level of technical knowledge. Beginner may uh, struggle to understand and explain concepts and technologies, but you have D.5 for that. If you follow us, for sure you are going to cover the technicals. Anyway, moving forward, many people are still unfamiliar with AI. It is making it very difficult to sell AI service because you cannot just go to any organization and say, "Hey, this is the service I will provide," and they will say, "Okay, it is AI. Let's get started." No, it's not like this. There are many people not familiar with it, and most importantly, they don't trust it. They don't understand the capability of AI, and so although AI is the future for sure, and they will come to this side. They will be using AI for various tasks, but it will take some time, and of course, it's a challenge for beginners to onboard a client. And then we also have another challenge like budget constraints. Starting an AI automation agency often requires a significant investment in technology and talent, of course. Beginners may not have necessary fund to get their agency off the ground. So yeah, if you already have some clients, contacts, and have money, you can spend that money on ads and find potential customers, clients for yourself. But as a beginner, of course, no one have this much amount of money to spend and find talent because all this cost money, and we don't have it yet, right? Also, the fourth challenge is the field of AI is evolving rapidly. Beginners will need to continuously learn and adapt to keep up with the latest development. And you have D.5 for that as well. Just keep following. So these were some of the challenges. There are a lot of challenges for sure, but these were some of the main ones I come up with. So now moving forward, how can beginners overcome these challenges and break into the field of AI automation? I would personally recommend don't go for AI automation agency and instead go for AI automation service provider because the title says a lot about an individual. If you are saying AI automation agency, it means you must have a team, a proper organization that manages your workflows and so many other things. But if you introduce yourself as an AI expert, like AI automation service provider, you can reach to potential client and tell them, hey, I can provide you AI automation, I can fix this process for you, and I can provide that value, and blah blah blah. Once you have the client, of course you can outsource the things you could do for that client, and once you do something for the client, of course they will keep coming back, and then you can sell more services to those clients, which will most likely accept it from you because you already have a work history with the client and they can trust you. So in the end, it's all a matter of trust. Anyway, moving forward to the conclusion, starting an AI automation agency is a journey. It requires understanding your budget, starting small, and gradually introducing AI services to your clients. But with the right approach and lots of hard work, it's a journey that can lead to great success. Thank you for watching today's video, guys. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. See you in the next video.